Have you ever wondered why nutritionists often suggest that people over 60 include blueberries in their daily diet? What makes this small blue fruit so common among the healthiest foods recommended worldwide? What amazing properties are hidden behind this little gem of nature? Imagine starting each day with a serving of fresh blueberries. In just a few weeks, you might notice a more active mind, brighter eyes, and completely renewed energy. Today, we'll see how to make the most of blueberries' benefits, and even more importantly, we'll discover 3 foods you should never eat with these fruits. Some wrong combinations can cancel out the positive effects of blueberries or even cause discomfort to your body. Before we continue, tell us in the comments how old you are and what country you're watching from, and remember to subscribe to the channel for more tips on staying healthy as you age. If you're paying attention, type 1 in the comments if this topic interests you, or 0 if it doesn't. For those listening, leave a 1 if these topics excite you, otherwise type 0. Telling us your country helps us feel closer to you. Let's start our journey right away. Let's discover together the first 2 of the 5 main benefits that blueberries can offer to improve your health after 60. Would you like to learn more about this? To make the discussion more engaging, write your age and the city you live in the comments. Let's see who among you is truly motivated to stay healthy as the years go by. The next tip is simple, but incredibly effective. Let's start this journey together. Let's start by talking about protection against Alzheimer's and brain diseases. Anthocyanins, which are strong antioxidants that give blueberries their deep color, make these tiny berries a real support for a healthy mind. These compounds help protect the brain from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules created during the body's normal activities. Even though only a small part of the oxygen we breathe creates these harmful substances, they can build up and slowly damage nerve cells, cause long-term swelling, and speed up the decline of thinking skills. Oxidative stress is actually known as one of the main risk factors for diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and memory loss that comes with getting older. Luckily, blueberries act like a natural shield against these processes. Recent studies suggest that eating about 30 blueberries a day can greatly reduce brain swelling, protect the connections between brain cells, and improve how cells talk to each other. All of this helps keep your memory sharp, makes your mind clearer, and supports your emotional balance, which are all super important as you get older. Another really important thing as we get older is keeping our blood sugar levels in check. As we age, many folks start to have some insulin resistance, which makes it harder for our bodies to handle glucose. This can raise the risk of type 2 diabetes and other metabolic issues. And guess what? Blueberries are a fantastic solution for this too. With a glycemic index of about 53, blueberries only cause a slow and gentle rise in blood sugar. This means no sudden spikes like you get from really sugary fruits or packaged snacks. This slow release of sugar helps keep your energy levels steady and makes it easier on your pancreas. But there's even more. Blueberries are packed with polyphenols and soluble fiber. These are things that help your body respond better to insulin and protect your blood vessels from sugar damage. According to studies published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism, eating blueberries regularly helps improve glucose management and reduces inflammation in people who have insulin resistance. Adding blueberries to your daily diet, whether in smoothies, fresh, or as a snack, can help you manage your blood sugar and prevent long-term problems from diabetes, like damage to your nerves, kidneys, and heart. The third important thing is about eye health, because eyesight is often one of the first things to get worse as we get older, especially after you turn 60. Problems like macular degeneration, glaucoma, and cataracts can really make it harder to be independent and enjoy life. But there's good news. Blueberries are among the best fruits for keeping your eyes healthy, thanks to all the anthocyanins, vitamin E, and carotenoids they have. Anthocyanins, in particular, help protect the macula, which is the center part of your retina that helps you see clearly. They do this by reducing stress, making blood flow to your eyes better and blocking harmful light. Compared to other fruits, blueberries can have up to 30 times more anthocyanins than grapes, making them a great choice for keeping your eyesight healthy. If you want to stop your eyesight from getting worse as you age or reduce eye strain from digital devices, adding blueberries to your diet is a tasty and smart way to keep your eyes strong and healthy. As we get older, heart and circulation health becomes super important. Heart problems, you see, are still the main reason people over 60 pass away. Blueberries are a true friend to your heart. They're packed with things that fight off bad stuff, like antioxidants, flavonoids, and anti-inflammatory stuff. They help fight off dangers like oxidized cholesterol and inflamed arteries. Things like stress, bad eating habits, and stuff in the environment can hurt your blood vessels, make your blood thicker, and make it more likely for clots to form. But lots of studies have shown that eating regularly about 30 blueberries a day can lower your risk of heart and blood vessel diseases by up to 15%. That's a huge benefit, and it's so easy to do every day. The special stuff in blueberries helps keep your blood vessels flexible, helping your blood flow well and slowing down how fast your heart tissues get old. What does that mean? Better blood flow, lower blood pressure, and less chance of strokes or heart attacks. Adding blueberries to your breakfast or snacks is an easy way to protect your heart every single day. The signs of skin aging are some of the most noticeable as we get older. Our skin tends to lose its stretchiness, and wrinkles, dark spots, and a dull look appear. Before you try expensive treatments, think about the good things blueberries can do for you from the inside out. Blueberries are a great source of vitamin C, anthocyanins, and other good stuff that helps your skin stay healthy. They help your body make collagen, which is the stuff that keeps your skin firm and looking young. Their antioxidants help protect your skin from damage caused by UV rays, pollution, and swelling, which all make you look older faster. Eating blueberries often can help make fine lines, age spots, and dryness less noticeable. It also helps keep your skin moist and even-toned. Because they have a lot of water, blueberries also help make your skin softer and brighter. Eating blueberries often not only helps your overall health, but it can also make your skin look better over time. Many people notice their skin is clearer, brighter, and more even, with fewer spots. With all these great things they do, it's no surprise that blueberries are called the fruit of beauty. Even though they're small, blueberries have a huge effect on how well we feel. From your brain to your heart, from your eyesight to your skin, they help every part of your body, whether you eat them fresh, frozen, or add them to your meals. Putting blueberries into your daily eating plan is one of the easiest and most powerful ways to help you age well. If you've also seen good changes because of blueberries, share your story in the comments. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to stay healthy naturally so you can enjoy a longer, healthier, and more energetic life. Now, let's look at which foods you might want to avoid pairing with blueberries. We've already seen how valuable blueberries can be for your health, especially as you get older. But it's also important to know which foods don't mix well with them. Some foods, when eaten with blueberries, can lessen or even cancel out their good effects, and in some cases, they can even cause tummy troubles. Let's find out what the top 3 foods are that you shouldn't mix with blueberries to get the most out of them. Let's start with cow's milk, which can actually lower the amount of good stuff you get from blueberries. You might not expect this, especially if you love eating blueberries with cereal, thick smoothies, or yogurt. Even though cow's milk has lots of good things like calcium and protein, it doesn't always mix well with fruits full of antioxidants, like blueberries. The main problem is how our bodies handle the sugar and protein in milk. When you eat dairy with blueberries, your body tends to digest the dairy first. This can mean you don't get as many of the antioxidants from the blueberries, especially the anthocyanins, which are super important for fighting swelling and protecting your brain. Even vitamin C, another valuable part of blueberries, can be broken down or lost faster if you eat it with milk. To get the most benefits for your brain, heart, and immune system, it's better to eat blueberries and dairy at different times. Try to wait at least 2 or 3 hours between them. If you want to make creamy smoothies or snacks, pick plant-based milks like almond, oat, or coconut milk, especially those without added sugar. These other options don't have lactose, so they won't stop your body from taking in the antioxidants. This means you'll get all the great benefits from blueberries. Second, cucumbers are one of the most beneficial and hydrating vegetables you can include in your diet. Because they have a lot of water, cucumbers are great for keeping your blood pressure in check, helping you stay hydrated, and aiding digestion. It's common to find them paired with blueberries in salads or detox drinks, which makes sense given their good effects on health. But you might not know that this mix isn't the best if you want to get all the good stuff from blueberries. Why? Cucumbers have an enzyme called ascorbate oxidase, which can break down vitamin C, and blueberries have a lot of vitamin C. Vitamin C is super important for making collagen, boosting your immune system, keeping your skin healthy, and helping your body use iron. If you eat cucumbers with fruits that have a lot of vitamin C, like blueberries, the enzyme in cucumbers can start destroying the vitamin C before your body can even use it. To get the most out of both, it's better to eat cucumbers and blueberries at different times, waiting at least half an hour between them. This way, the vitamin C gets absorbed before the enzyme can start working. This little trick is extra helpful for older folks who want to make sure they get the most out of every meal. Even small changes in when you eat can make a big difference. Our third point is about pineapple, which is often seen as the perfect partner for blueberries. In fruit salads and smoothies, these two fruits go well together because of their color, juiciness, and how rich they are in antioxidants like vitamin C. Pineapple is known for bromelain, an enzyme that helps break down proteins and aids digestion. Even though both are great for your health, eating them together isn't always the best idea, especially for those with a sensitive stomach. The main reason is their high level of acidity. If eaten together, they can make your stomach more acidic, causing issues like bloating, reflux, or nausea, especially for older people or those with digestive problems. To avoid these problems, just eat pineapple and blueberries at different times of the day. Let at least an hour pass between eating one and the other, so your digestive system can handle them better. This way, you can enjoy all the benefits of pineapple and blueberries without risking discomfort or harming your stomach's well-being. Now, let's find out which foods can really boost the benefits of blueberries. After seeing what's best to avoid, let's look at 3 foods that, when paired with blueberries, really bring out their good qualities. If you pick them carefully, these ingredients turn blueberries into a real powerhouse of energy and wellness, perfect for helping you age well and stay full of life. Let's start with the simple banana, a fruit we often don't give enough credit to, but it's actually packed with good stuff. Especially when you eat it with blueberries, the banana turns into a natural energy booster, so much so that it's called nature's energy bar. It's sweet, easy to digest, and has lots of potassium, vitamin B6, and magnesium. These are super important for your nerves, heart, and energy levels, especially as you get older. Bananas also have a good amount of soluble fiber, especially pectin, which helps keep your blood sugar steady naturally. This slows down how fast your body takes in sugar, preventing big ups and downs, and keeping your energy stable all day long. If you pair bananas with blueberries, which are full of antioxidants, it tastes great, and the good stuff multiplies. The fiber in bananas helps your body soak up the antioxidants from blueberries, like anthocyanins and vitamin C. This makes your cells stronger, lowers swelling, and boosts your immune system. You can make so many different things with this combo. You can blend bananas and blueberries for a morning smoothie or layer them in overnight oats. Or even add them to a fruit salad for a meal packed with fiber and vitamins that helps with digestion, energy, good mood, and feeling lively. For a quick breakfast, just blend a ripe banana, a handful of blueberries, some plant-based milk, and a few chia or flax seeds. You'll get a creamy, sweet, and satisfying drink that's good for your whole body. Next up, Plain unsweetened Greek yogurt is one of the healthiest things you can pair with blueberries. Compared to regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained more times, making it thicker and giving it almost twice the protein. This makes it great for supporting lean muscle mass, which is super important for older folks who want to fight off muscle loss as they age. But the benefits of Greek yogurt aren't just about its protein content. It's also a valuable source of probiotics, those good bacteria that help your gut stay healthy. When you mix Greek yogurt with blueberries, you get a powerful combo. The antioxidants in blueberries fight off free radicals, while the live cultures in the yogurt improve digestion and help you absorb nutrients better. Make the most of this combo by whipping up breakfasts or snacks with unsweetened Greek yogurt, plenty of blueberries, and maybe a sprinkle of cinnamon or chia seeds. The third item on our list is nuts and trail mix. Walnuts are considered true superfoods for heart and brain health, and they pair perfectly with blueberries. They are a valuable source of alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 that helps with mental health, emotional balance, and fights inflammation. However, you don't have to stick to just walnuts. Other trail mixes, like almonds, cashews, and pecans, each offer valuable minerals such as magnesium, vitamin E, and zinc. Try adding blueberries and chopped nuts on Greek yogurt or salads for nutritious and easy-to-make snacks. By combining blueberries, bananas, unsweetened Greek yogurt, and nuts, you not only create delicious dishes, but you also build a truly powerful nutritional combination. Let's find out easy ways to add blueberries to your daily life. The most direct way? Just eat them fresh. Eating about 30 blueberries regularly can bring great health benefits. They are perfect for topping whole grain cereals, oatmeal, or for making fruit salads richer. If you love smoothies, blueberries go perfectly with almond milk, oat milk, or water. Even though fresh blueberries are the best, frozen ones are a great option when fresh ones aren't available. Even though allergic reactions to blueberries are pretty rare, they can still happen. If you notice any strange symptoms, it's really important to see a doctor right away. Also, if you're taking blood thinners like warfarin, you should talk to your doctor before eating more blueberries. For those who have trouble chewing or swallowing, blueberries can easily be blended or pureed to add to smoothies. So to wrap it up, blueberries are really like little gems for our diet, especially for those of us over 60. These small blueberries are packed with good stuff that helps us age well. They boost memory, support heart health, improve eyesight, and help keep our skin looking young and glowing. Remember that eating blueberries with milk, cucumbers, or pineapple can actually lessen their benefits. It's better to pair them with walnuts, plain Greek yogurt, or bananas to get the most out of them. Start adding blueberries to your daily meals right away. You'll soon notice more energy, clearer thinking, and just an overall better feeling. We would love to hear from you. How do you like to enjoy your blueberries? Did you already know about these food pairings to stay away from? Your thoughts help us reach more and more people who want to live a healthy old age. Write in the comments your age and where you're watching us from. We love hearing from our amazing community. Remember to like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to stay active and healthy at any age. If you're watching this video, write 1 in the comments if it was helpful, or 0 if it didn't convince you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon in the next video.